What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to download Roblox for free. That's right, 100% free. All you have to do is go to the link in the description, put in your credit card and credentials, your mother's maiden name, your street address, and your favorite color. After you do all of that, you just need to download the game and put in your Pornhub account. After you put in your Pornhub account, wait 5 days. After you wait 5 days, all you have to do is put in the password. The password is meatball55769. After you put in meatball56769, you'll go into Roblox. But that's not just it. After you go into Roblox, you have to go into a roleplay Minecraft server. It has to be a roleplay Minecraft server or it will not work. After you go into the server, all you have to do is tell everyone to fuck your mother. After you tell everyone to fuck your mother, they'll be really confused because it's reversed. You want them to fuck your mother instead of telling them that you fuck theirs. After they're really confused, all you have to do is realize that you don't know what you're doing with your life. You're 30 years old and you live in your mom's basement. After you realize all of this, you can finally leave your house and go outside for the first time in the past year. After you go outside, all you have to do is check your mail and your free Roblox download link will be in your mailbox. Anyway guys, thanks for watching my video. If you enjoyed, leave a like. If you didn't like it, fuck you. Subscribe. Oh yeah, join my free gift card giveaway. I'm giving away a $2 gift card. All you have to do is go to the link in the description, input the last 4 digits of your credit card number, and you get it. I'm just gonna let this play out, so my video will be 10 minutes. If links are broken, don't tell me because I don't care. Donate on Patreon. I didn't know this song had words. This brings on the meaning. Oh, never mind. It just abruptly ended.